Maximus Analysis here for September 29th, 2016. I'm going to keep this one pretty brief. As you can see, we are holding these lows to right here. They flushed down around the 2162 level. They bounced a little bit, got a little bit above it, but flushed back down. They held the 2139.5 level and gonna probably ping pong between the 2151 level and 2139 level. Again, I don't know where they're gonna go. I never do. Again, it's not to say like I'm some fortune teller or something like that, but being that it's the end of the week, Friday, I don't know where they're gonna do in regards to the weekly options, because you have people that purchase weekly option puts for tomorrow, and you have those that a person actually calls to buy the dip. Perfect scenario for a market maker. Have a very sideways choppy day and make money on both of them. So we'll have to see if they're actually going to flush down, break this. This is the breakout level. If we look at the daily time frame, again, that's about the lowest I want to get to. You can see we're just sideways. They're still holding these highs, but I want to see where they're going to close. Going to the weekly time frame, lower volume, didn't follow through. Want to see where they're gonna go. Okay, last week's low, 21.26 so we'll watch that one closely. NQ, same thing, no follow through. Again, false breakout, and really want to see how this one's going to move and if they're going to get to that 47.31 area and then test this breakout level. Again, I want to see them break below there and then see what it looks like going into this area. YM, pretty much the same type of deal. Again, we've been watching these levels for a while, and this was a false breakout, but I don't know if they're going to continue and go from there. So we'll continue to watch and see what they're going to do. Again, 240 minute for this YM, and you can see same deal. Okay, they have these lows that they are just working. So we'll continue to watch how this one plays out. Again, you could draw it here, and so they broke back over below. You could draw it here. Again, it's 6 of one, half a dozen the other, but they really need to break it below this 18,000. You can see if you just kind of squint your eyes, you could see that this level, well, you don't really have to squint it. You can see how many long wicks are in this area. So this is the area that they've been defending, and we'll continue to watch. I'm not trying to get emotionally involved in either way, because again, I don't want emotions to drive me. CL, again, doing some really good stuff. Let's look and see where they close this week. We'll use the continuous contract versus the X contract, and they held so far, but we'll continue to watch. Again, you know that crude moves a lot each day, so we'll see how it goes into tomorrow. Okay, because all this was based on that rumor or whatever, and I don't really want to get into if that's bullish or bearish or whatever. I just want to look at what the charts are doing. So we'll continue to watch this. Gold is, again, sideways. So they're catching people both ways. Again, I explained yesterday how many different candlestick individual signals were going off. Let's see how they break this one below. So I'm going to keep this video short, because again, I don't want to get overly bearish, or again, I'm not bullish at these levels at all, because it's just not an area that I want to get bullish. But let's see how much more depth this retracement has. Take care.